Welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install latest version of Python and understand easily. So first of all, search the Python in the browser. This is the pytnon.org, and hover the download menu in the python.org, and this is the Python 3.12.2 latest version. Just click on the Python 3.12.2. It's downloading, please wait. Okay, it's downloaded successfully. This is the installer. Just run this installer. This is 64-bit OS. You can install it in 32-bit OS also. Okay, now select use admin privilege and add python.exe to path. You can customize the installation, document, pipe, all the features, optional features will be installed. For all users require admin privilege, yes. Click on next and select check the install python 3.12 for all user, and this is the directory, install directory. Click on install. Yes, it's installing. Installing all the features of Python. Setup was successful. Just close it. Yes, now it's done. Let's check around command prompt. Yes, let's check the version of Python hyphen version. Yes, this is 3.12.2 version. Okay, now write a print command to test. Print swift learn. Yes, it's printed swift learn, and then print thanks. Okay, it's printed thanks. Let's run ideally. Go to the search bar and just write ideally. Yes, this is the ideally 3.12.2. now print text swift learn. Yes, it's printed. Now you can save the Python file in the directory, this in the download folder with the name test, and the extension will be .py. Okay, save. Yes, it's saved, test.py. Okay, hope you understand it well. Thanks for watching this tutorial.